When Ford introduced its 10-speed automatic transmission, it promised a revolution, more gears for better efficiency and power. The idea was simple: keep the engine in its sweet spot, whether cruising or towing. It quickly appeared in everything from the F-150 to the Mustang, promising seamless, nearly invisible shifts. For a while, it delivered, smooth, quiet, and efficient. But as miles racked up, owners noticed clunks, jerks, and indecisive gear changes. The transmission, once praised for refinement, became a source of frustration. Instead of smooth transitions, drivers felt awkward gear hunting and unpredictable shifts. The promise of perfection collided with the reality of daily use. Ford's ambitious engineering met the messy world of real work: towing, hauling, stop-and-go traffic. The problem wasn't the dream, it was the delivery. A great idea but complicated execution. And that's how a 10-speed promise turned into a real-world headache. The 10-speed was supposed to make driving effortless, like a cyclist always in the right gear. More gears meant better fuel economy and smoother power in theory, but owners found the transmission often felt confused, especially when merging or accelerating. Gear hunting became a common complaint: hesitation when you needed power, constant shifting when you wanted stability. Instead of smoothness, there were thumps and jerks, especially at low speeds. City driving became a chore, with abrupt shifts and unpredictable downshifts. The truck felt less like an extension of the driver, and more like a machine with a mind of its own. Some days it was smooth, other days clunky and indecisive. This inconsistency eroded trust. Crucial for people who rely on their trucks. The issue wasn't capability, but predictability. A good tool should work the same, every time. For many, the 10-speed didn't. The result? Frustration and disappointment. The promise of more gears brought more problems. When transmissions act up, most expect a mechanical failure. But with Ford's 10-speed, technicians found the hardware was solid. Gears, clutches, all intact. The real culprit? The software running the show. The transmission control module was making poor decisions, like a conductor out of sync with the orchestra. The result? Jerky shifts, gear hunting, and clumsy performance. This distinction matters. A hardware problem means costly repairs, but a software issue can be fixed with new code. Ford realized the 10-speed didn't need new parts, it needed smarter instructions. The solution wasn't a recall, but a re-education. By rewriting the software, Ford could transform the driving experience without touching a wrench. The hardware was always capable. It just needed better leadership. For 2026, Ford isn't replacing the transmission. They're upgrading its brain. It's a modern fix for a modern problem. Sometimes the answer isn't new machinery, but better programming. The orchestra had the talent. It just needed a better conductor. And that's where Ford's focus turned. Ford chose to fix the 10-speed software, not its hardware. The 2026 update is a complete recalibration of the transmission's control logic. The new philosophy: fewer, smarter shifts for a calmer, more predictable drive. The software now holds gears longer, reducing gear hunting and unnecessary changes. The result is a smoother, more confident truck that responds intuitively to the driver. Engineers refined shift schedules and torque converter logic for all driving styles. The transmission now feels like a seasoned veteran, not a nervous rookie. 10 gears, finally working in harmony. Sometimes, the best upgrade is a smarter set of instructions. The new software shines in daily traffic and tough towing alike. In stop-and-go driving, the transmission holds lower gears longer and shifts more smoothly, making commutes less irritating. For towing, the updated tow-haul mode holds gears on climbs and descents, reducing constant shifting and improving control. This predictability is crucial when hauling heavy loads. No more second-guessing from the transmission. Fewer shifts mean less wear and tear, boosting long-term reliability. Every unnecessary shift eliminated helps the transmission last longer. For owners planning to keep their trucks for years, this matters. The update delivers peace of mind, whether you're hauling groceries or a trailer. It's a practical improvement for real-world use. The transmission now works smarter, not harder. Reliability and confidence are restored. Ford's fix is about making the truck a better tool for every job, and that's what owners wanted all along. Ford's 2026 update benefits every F-150, gas, or hybrid, the recalibration brings smoother shifting and smarter gear selection to all powertrains. For gas engines, it tames gear hunting and delivers a calmer drive. In PowerBoost hybrids, the software now coordinates the gas engine, electric motor, and transmission seamlessly. Transitions between electric and gas power are nearly invisible. The result is a refined, sophisticated driving experience. No more clunky handoffs. Ford's unified software approach means every owner gets a better truck. The focus has shifted from specs to real-world feel and confidence. A great truck is about more than power, it's about trust and refinement. Ford's smarter software delivers both. For 2030 Salmain, Suggested Duwan, I'll dealt with the nail. 36 buyers, the 10-speed is finally the transmission it was meant to be. Smoother, smarter shifting means a quieter cabin, less fatigue, and more confidence, whether parking or towing. Fewer shifts mean less wear, lower repair risk, and better long-term value. Ford's update shows they're listening to owners who depend on their trucks. The story highlights how software is now as important as hardware in modern vehicles. The 10-speed's transformation proves great engineering is about smart programming as much as strong parts. Ford's new philosophy puts the driver first. The result, a truck that's reliable, predictable, and enjoyable for years to come. It's a common-sense fix for a real-world problem. And it sets a new standard for what a modern truck should be.